Hello friends, it's unboxing time. What we have here is the Quietcomfort 35 V2, the latest version from Bose. Well, it's not really the latest. This has been around for like yonks, but I finally picked it up because I wanted to have some noise cancelling headphones that are actually good. Comparably to some other ones that I've had in the past, they're probably not the best ones I have, and if you check my channel, there is a review of another noise cancelling headphones in there, but this one here apparently is the top of the pops. This is the one you get if you want real noise cancelling. It is also wireless, and there's a whole bunch of other things it can do. So let's have a look what's in the box, and we'll get the review out very soon. So I got this on special from Qantas. Use some Qantas points to get it. So if you're not aware of what that is, if you fly a bit, you get some points, and over time they might accumulate to be worth something. They're pretty worthless with little amounts, but it always might be something. After a few years, you might be able to get a little bit of a discount. It's not much. I got it for 270 Australian dollars using 17,000 Qantas points, which basically means it was like maybe $100 off or something. But at the moment, you can get these off Amazon for $320 Australian dollars, that is, my friends. So if you are keen on picking them up, it's a good time to do that, especially if you don't have anything that has anything to do with Qantas. So we got an app, not sure why, but we'll find that out soon. On and off button, great. And there's a nice little padding here. So the little material, put that to the side, and we've got the actual box. Hey, that's really nice little travel box. Nothing else in here. This is interesting, keep it dry, which is fine. I guess they do take care of their products. I always find it interesting that some products have that and some don't. Some should have it, some don't really require it. So what we have here, and I'll just move that box out of the way, is we've got this nice leather pouch. We've got something here. I'm not sure what you'd use it for, but maybe some extra cables. It's like a little handheld thing. And we've got over here the actual zip on a little hook. All right, let's unzip it and see what's inside. Nice little embossed logo, Bose embossed. Whew, okay. Some filling so it doesn't move around. Glad to see that. Some more stuff here so things don't scratch before you actually get it, because after you get it, it'll probably scratch. We've got cable. So, interestingly enough, yes, this is wireless Bluetooth, but you can also plug it in via just a normal 3.5mm jack. So if you're on the plane, you'll actually be able to use this to connect to the plane, the plane TV or whatever it is, which is cool. And obviously you might need an adapter, which is, I still don't get why planes do a double pin rather than a single. That just doesn't make sense, but here we are. Before I get to the headphones, we've got one other thing right here, and I think it's a charger for the wireless, and it's a micro USB. I'm really surprised when I see these nowadays. Why not just use USB-C? It's just so much better. Goes each way. I just kind of think this is old school, but again, this is an old product. I'm pretty sure this is from the year. So the headphones themselves, they are extremely soft on here. Very, very soft. Foldable, as you can see. And it says R here and L here, so it's good to know, which is fair enough. These cups, I mean, I don't think I've ever felt cups this soft. The question is it real leather, and can it be replaced? Wow, so soft. I expect these to be extremely comfortable. Very comfortable.
Yes, I believe it is.
Thank you.
And on the other side we have the on button. Oh, okay, it's a bit weird. Okay, so the on button, you move it to the right to hold it for Bluetooth connection, and then off here, and then we've got a light on here which also indicates battery, which is cool. And we have plus, minus, and we've got a button in the center to probably do selection, and then we've got a assistant button, so just in case you wanted to use the Google Assistant through your phone. These are really light for something that costs around $320 or $400 if you're getting it a normal price. These are very, very light, plasticky, and very, very light, but man, they seem very, very comfortable. And that's what you want. You want something very comfortable for potentially long flights, especially when you're using things like noise cancelling. Alright, guys, thank you very much for watching. I just got back into Perth from Japan. I'm a bit knackered, but I thought I'd do this video before. I didn't get to use this on my long haul flights, but I'll probably be having some more soon, and I'll be giving you guys a very good review on how these actually perform in the sky. Guys, thanks you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.